Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to use if function with logical and logical OR function. Now in last video we learned how to use if function and nested if functions. Watch the video to understand if function in detail. First let's understand the logical functions and OR. The AND function returns true if all the arguments or conditions given in AND are true. Logical OR returns true if any one argument or condition is true. We have student data having marks in three different subjects. As per the condition, the result is pass if marks in all the three subjects greater than 40, or we can say the result will be fail if marks in any one subject is less than 40. First, we will use AND logic function which returns true if all the given conditions are true. So for first student in cell F2 type equals to if. Now the condition says that if marks in all the three subject is greater than 40, so we will use AND bracket and then we will specify the condition. Select B2 should be greater than 40 comma C2 should be greater than 40 comma D2 is greater than 40 closing bracket. Now this statement says that if marks in all the three subject is greater than 40, then result is pass, else result is fail. Closing bracket, press enter. Copy the formula in remaining cells. Now the result is showing pass where marks in each subject is greater than 40 and fail if in any one of the subject marks is less than or equals to 40. The same result we can obtain using the OR statement. Type equals to if open bracket. Now the OR logical function will return true if any one argument or condition is true. So for us, if marks in any one of the subject is less than or equal to 40, then result will be fail. Select B2 is less than or equals to 40, comma C2 is less than or equals to 40, comma D2 is less than or equals to 40. Now this says that if B2, C2 and D2, if any one of the cell contains less than or equals to 40, result will be fail, else pass. Closing bracket, press enter. Copy the formula in other cells using autofill and the result is same. So you can use AND logical function or logical function with if statement to get the result. I have added the file path in the video's description section. Download the file and there is an exercise for you. Complete the exercise and share your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback, suggestions and queries in comments. Thank you.